Hello everyone, welcome to all the students in the session of Raj project. I am Ramtek AS from Sadguru Gadge Maharaj College Karad. This is the branch of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. This lecture is conducted for Rayat Online School Education, that is the project in 21 to 22. This is subject of biology. So from subject biology, continuation of chapter inheritance and variation. This is the third chapter in this 12th biology. Then today we are going to start here a new point from this chapter, that is the sex linked inheritance. So in this sex linked inheritance we have learned two types, that is first one is X linked gene and another one is Y linked gene. So effect on both these genes, we have see some diseases, that is first one is color blindness and another one is hemophilia. So in all these points we discuss in this lecture one by one. So let us start here first point, that is a sex linked inheritance. So what is the meaning of sex linked inheritance? Genes located on non-homologous region of sex chromosome are called sex linked genes. Okay, so when the genes are located on the non-homologous region of sex chromosome. So see here sex chromosome, uh, here is, this is the X link and another one is Y chromosome. This is X chromosome and here is a Y chromosome. So see here definition, genes located. So the genes located on the chromosome. These are the chromosome. Okay. So here is on the upper surface of chromosome, here is a genes are located. So when the genes are located in non-homologous region, so see here, this is the non-homologous region, okay, and this is a homologous, both the region are same, so that's why it is called as homologous region. And here is a other strand of chromosome, here is a dissimilar, okay, that's, it is known as non-homologous region. So on this non-homologous chromosome, so here is a genes are present and that particular genes, it is known as sex linked genes. Okay, so the trait that are determined, so when these traits are determined by sex linked genes are called as sex linked traits. Okay, the inheritance of sex linked genes from parents to their offspring, it is called as sex linked inheritance. So the uh, characters are show after linking, the characters show from the parents to their offsprings, that is the inheritance. So the inheritance means the characters are transferred from parents to their offspring, it is known as sex linked inheritance. So this characters transfer from sex linked genes, that's why it is known as sex linked inheritance. Okay, so this sex linked inheritance or sex linked genes are of two types. So the first one is X linked genes, it is also known as sex linked, and another one is Y linked genes, that is the Hollandric genes. Okay, so let us start here one by one. So the first one is X linked genes. So see here, what is the meaning of X linked genes? The X linked genes are located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. So again see in this diagram, no, location of X-linked gene on non-homologous region of X chromosome. See here, this is the X chromosome. This is the strand of X chromosome of non-homologous region. This is the non-homologous region. So on this non-homologous region, there is a X-linked gene. So this X-linked genes and these genes do not have corresponding alleles on Y chromosome. तर Y chromosome वरती जे काही alleles आहेत त्यासोबत ते correspond नाहीत. Okay, that thing it is known as X-linked genes. Okay, then how can be this particular? See here again, we understand here what is the again meaning of this particular X-linked genes. Okay, so see here, female has two X chromosome. Okay, let us understand here again. So this female part, so on this female X chromosome, here is a two X chromosomes are present. So in two recessive sex-linked genes are required. Okay, here is a for the expression of sex-linked traits. तर सेक्स लिंक ट्रेट एक्सप्रेस होण्यासाठी तिथं काय पाहिजे आहेत, इन फिमेल पार्टवरती टू रिसेसिव्ह सेक्स लिंक्स आर प्रेझेंट ऑर रिक्वायर्ड हिअर. ओके, देन if one X chromosome carries a recessive gene for sex-linked trait, that is the defective, okay, then its defect is suppressed by the dominant gene present on the X chromosome. Okay, so the its reason is the female with one recessive gene आर कॅरियर. एक रिसेसिव्ह जीन जो आहे तो काय असणार आहे, कॅरियर. सो द कॅरियर फिमेल इज फिजिकली नॉर्मल ॲज शी डज नॉट सफर फ्रॉम डिसीज. तर जे कॅरियर फिमेल आहे फिजिकली नॉर्मल असणार आणि ती कुठल्याही प्रकारचा डिसीज हे ट्रान्सफर करू शकत नाही. व्हाईल मेल हॅज ओनली वन एक्स क्रोमोझोम. सो एक्स क्रोमोझोम हिअर इज ओनली वन. ओके, सो इफ एक्स क्रोमोझोम कॅरीज एक्स लिंक रिसेसिव्ह, then genes for sex-linked trait, then it is expressed phenotypically because there is no dominant gene on Y chromosome. So the suppressing character is effect. Okay, so therefore sex-linked or X-linked traits appear more frequently in males than in the female. For example of, so let us we understand from this diagram. Then see here another part one is that is the Y-linked genes. Okay, so the genes located on non-homologous region of Y chromosome are called as Y-linked. Non-homologous जे रिजन आहे त्या रिजनवरती जे काही जीन्सचं लोकेशन आहे ते जीन्सचे लोकेशन ऑफ वाय क्रोमोझोम आर कॉल्ड एज अ वाय लिंक. वाय लिंक वरती जे वाय क्रोमोझोम प्रेझेंट आहे ते कुठे आहे, नॉन होमोलॉगस पार्ट वरती आहे, त्यामुळे त्याला काय म्हणतात, वाय लिंक जीन. वाय क्रोमोझोम वरती जे काही जीन्स आहेत त्यालाच काय म्हणत असतात, वाय लिंक जीन्स. सो द वाय लिंक जीन्स आर इनहेरिटेड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम मेल टू मेल. तर मेल टू मेल जे काही जीन्स आहेत ते इनहेरिट डायरेक्टली होत असतात. ओके, देन द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ पर्टिक्युलर दिस X-linked traits include hemophilia, color blindness, night blindness, myopia, muscular dystrophy. These are the disorders. Okay, so next one is here color blindness. So these diseases are come from these defective parts. So the first disease is color blindness. So in color blindness, here is a link recessive disorder caused due to the recessive X link genes. तर हे जे कलर ब्लाइंडनेस जे डिसीज आहे ते डिसीज एक्स लिंक रिसेसिव्ह डिसऑर्डर मुळे होत असतं आणि इट इज कॉज ड्यू टू द रिसेसिव्ह एक्स लिंक जीन्स. सो द जीनोटाइप ऑफ मेल अँड फिमेल फॉर कलर ब्लाइंडनेस आर सी here again. So the sex male and female, so the normal sex male XCY and another female XCXC. Then color blindness, the gene is male XCY and female XCXC. Okay, so here is a carrier, male is not carrier, so there is a XCXC is a carrier. Okay, so it is a recessive part. Okay, X-linked genes, it is a carrier. Okay, so the X-link here is a XC and XC. Okay, so let us again understand here color blindness. So the color blindness is X-linked a recessive disorder where person is unable to distinguish between red and green color, so as both the colors appear gray. So when the person is unable to distinguish between the colors red color and green color, तर पर्सन जेव्हा रेड कलर आणि ग्रीन कलर मध्ये फरक त्यांना कळत नाही, सो ॲट दॅट टाइम बोथ द कलर्स अपियर ग्रे, आणि त्यावेळेस ते दोन्ही कलर त्याला कसे वाटतात, ग्रे इन कलर. सो इट इज कॉज ड्यू टू द रिसेसिव्ह एक्स लिंक जीन्स. आणि हे कशामुळे होत असतं, रिसेसिव्ह एक्स लिंक जीन्स, दॅट इज द XC. ओके, सो विच प्रिव्हेंट्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कलर सेन्सिटिव्ह जीन्स, द कोन्स इन द रेटिना ऑफ eye. Okay, then homozygous recessive female, that is the X small c. Okay, so here is a X small c, and hemizygous recessive female, XY are unable to distinguish between red and green color. So again here is a unable to distinguish between red and green color. The frequency of colorblind women is much less than colorblind men. Okay, so the dominant X-linked gene, that is the XC, is necessary for formation of color sensitive cells, okay, in the retina of eyes. So thus genotype of male and female individuals can be represented as follows. So see uh, in this diagram, okay, so sex part, that is a male and female, and another one is normal uh, genotype, okay. Then here is a phenotype also given, then color blindness genotype represent here, and the carriers. So the inheritance of color blindness can be studied in this particular following two types of marriages, okay. So when the marriage between color blindness male with normal female, so at that time produce normal vision male and female offsprings in F1 progeny, okay. The son have normal vision, but the daughter will be carrier for the disease, okay. Okay, see, then another one is Y linked uh, genotype, okay. So here is a we discuss this particular color blindness, and another point is that is possibilities for color blindness. So again see here, possibilities color blindness: marriage between color blind male and female with normal female, and marriage between carrier female with normal male, okay. See here, color blind and another one is normal female. So the parents is colorblind male and another one is female normal, okay. So the genotype XCY and another normal female XC. Then gametes form here XCY and another XC, okay. So when we crossbreeding, so at that time XC capital and another one is XC recessive or the dwarf, okay. Then another character C dominant and another recessive. Then again here is a XC recessive and Y another also we found here XCY. So this is the possibilities: normal sons in 50% and carrier daughter is possibilities 50%, okay. Then this is the sex link inheritance, that is color blindness, okay. Also see again here both the parts here. Then another parent we carrier daughter and another normal male. So in this particular genotype XC capital and XC and another one is XCY, okay. So in this particular genotype we found the gametes XC and another one is XC dominant and another XC recessive, okay. See here, so we get a F1 offsprings. So in this F1 offsprings, normal female we get a 25%, then normal male 25%, then carrier female 25%, and colorblind male is also 25%, okay. So next is another point is hemophilia. It is also known as a bladder disease. So in this particular disease, X-linked recessive disorder here, then blood fails to clot or coagulate very slowly. So at that time we found a disease, that is the hemophilia, okay. So gene for hemophilia is located on non-homologous region of X chromosome, okay. See again here is a, so when the disease hemophilia, at that time gene is located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. So this is the non-homologous region of X chromosome. So on the non-homologous X chromosome, here is a hemophilic genes are located, okay. So at that time we found disorder, that is hemophilia, okay. Then women suffer only when both X chromosome have recessive genes or the alleles. So see here, the genotype of male and female individuals can be represented as follows. So sex chromosome here male and female, then the phenotype normal, hemophilic and carrier. So in this genotype XH capital Y Okay, then another female XH. Okay, hemophilic X small or the dwarf H. Why? Then hemophilic in female X dwarf H. Okay, then carrier X capital H, and the another one is X dwarf H. Okay, so this particular hemophilic region. Okay, so in this particular hemophilic part, here is a hemophilia is X-linked recessive part. Okay, the dominant are O recessive genes for hemophilia. The person having recessive gene for hemophilia is deficient in clotting factors. Okay, in blood. When minor injuries cause continuously bleeding, hence hemophilia is also called as bladder disease. Okay, the recessive gene for hemophilia is located on non-homologous region, that is the X chromosome, as there is no corresponding alleles on Y chromosomes to suppress its expression. Okay, then the possibilities we understand here, the when the marriage between the hemophilic male and normal female, so at that time we found the possibilities. So see here the possibilities of hemophilia, parent hemophilic male, and another one is normal female. So genotype X small h y, then X tall h and X tall h. So both these genotype crossing with each other, then we get gametes. This like of gametes we found. Then F1 hybrid or F1 offsprings we found here. Carrier daughter 50% and normal sons also 50%. Okay. Then another possibility is marriage between carriers female daughter and normal male. So at that time we found possibilities. Here is a normal female 25% possible, and normal male also 25%, then also carrier female 25%, and color blindness male also 25% possibilities we found when marriage between carrier female daughter and normal female. Okay, then see here injuries occur. So at that time injury to blood vessels result in bleeding. Okay, see here, here is a normal bleeding or blood transfer here, and hemophilic here. Okay, so in hemophilic lack of clotting factor, it causes of which platelets plug to form. Okay, then incomplete and or delayed fibrin clot allows bleeding to the continue. Okay, so this structure here. Then here is a particularly hemophilia is also referred as the royal disease. Hemophiliaलाच काय म्हणत असतात, royal disease. Why hemophilia it is called as a royal disease? Because it affected the royal families of England, Germany, Russia and Spain in the 19th and 20th century. Okay, so the Queen Victoria of England, who ruled from 1837 to 1901, was believed to have been the carrier of hemophilia. She passed the trait on her 9 children. Okay, that is the reason hemophilia it is referred as the royal disease. Okay, so here is a next slide, types of hemophilia. So this is hemophilia A, hemophilia B, hemophilia C and parahemophilia. Okay, so the factor deficiency, here is a hemophilia A, that is the 8th factor deficiency and inheritance X-linked recessive. Another hemophilia B, here is a factor deficiency 9th and inheritance X-linked recessive. Then hemophilia C, here is a 11th factor deficiency and inheritance autosomal recessive. Then parahemophilia, here is a 5th factor deficiency and the inheritance that is autosomal recessive. Okay, so here is a hemophilia as well as different points we have completed here. So here is a today's topic is completed. Then next point we will discuss next lecture. Again one slide come here. Here is a hemophilia A and hemophilia B. So in hemophilia A, patients do not have enough clotting factor 8 that affects 1 in every 5,000 males. Okay. Then hemophilia B, patient do not have enough clotting factor 9, so at the affect 1 in every 30,000 males. Okay. So here is today's topic is completed. So let us thank you.